Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to automate processes with Appsheet. So the very first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Appsheet. Okay, so just search for Appsheet and you'd be able to see here different results. So you just have to click on the first one. That's right. And then you have to sign up for an account. So you can sign up with your Google account. And then after that, you can now sign in. And you'll be able to see here now the different apps that you have created. So all you have to do is to select the app that you want to automate or customize. Okay. So going back to the apps, you can also create a new app if you want to. So I think I'm going to use this one as an example. Okay. Or maybe I'm just going to create a new one. So you have your app right here and then the database. Okay, so I'm just going to use the to-do list. And as you can see right here at the right side, you have the you can preview your app. So that's how it looks like in a mobile view. Now at the right, I mean at the left side, you have the automation. So you have the bots, the events, the processes, and the tasks. So a bot is defines the automation you want the app to run. So when something happens, those occurrences are called the events, do some set of activities. So yeah, bots run in the cloud and do work for you even when you are not directly using the app. For example, send an email daily, notify on you to do record, email on deleted category record. Okay, so for example, if you would like to send an email daily, so you just have to click on it. So event schedule every day. The process is handle daily event. And then when the event occurs, so you have this one. And at the right side, you have here the settings. So we have the event name, the event source. So yeah, and then the schedule. And then we have here what schedule will trigger this workflow rule. You have also the type and then the time zone, of course. And then you also have the condition. And then if you would like to bypass security filters, you just have to toggle the switch on and you can add an event icon for this one. And then going back right here, as you can see, when the event occurs, you have the scheduled every day or daily and then run this process. So you have to add here a step. So send an email, so you can add a new step. So click on the add a step and then you have to give the step a name. Okay, so you can create a new step or use the suggestions. So send a notifications and then you can customize the task right here. So you haven't created one yet. So yeah, or you use an existing task if you want to. Next, if you would like to add a new step again, just click on add a new step. And then let's say, for example, send an SMS. So when you clicked on each step, you'd be able to see the settings at the right side. Okay, so let's try to test it if it is working. But I didn't think we completed the whole process. So let's go back here. Okay, and then to the event section. So events occur either when new data is added, existing data is modified, or periodically at a set of time. So events can be used across bots depending on the data source. Some external configuration may be necessary. So yeah, you just have to add here the new event. Just click on it, and then you have the event source. Okay, and then the table, then the data change type, and then the condition. And then if you want to bypass security filtering, you can toggle the switch on. Next, the process. A process combines tasks into composite activities. So a simple process may run just a few tasks sequentially, such as conditional branches, running a task, and then it can be exactly to take hours or days to complete. So it can loop over many records and call a task for each of them. It can call another process. It can wait for another human being to respond to something. So for the new process, you just have to select here the table and then add a step. So you have here is suggestions based on your table. So yeah, you just have to select or choose the suggestions that you want to use. So for example, checked if the status is not to do, wait until image is blank. So you just have to click on it. So you also have two options, yes or no. So you just have to decide if what will happen if you select this one or if this is the result of the process. Okay, now for the task. So task is a simple activity that run quickly. Send somebody a message, email or SMS, change data or call an external service. Tasks can be reused across the processes. So if you want to create a new task, just click on the add new task option. And then here you have the details. So yeah, just have to provide the details once again. Okay, so going back to the bots, let us try to create a new one from scratch. So yeah, just have to click on the new bot option and then give your bot a name. Or you can also select from the suggestions. For example, receive update. Okay, and then when this event occurs, so you have to configure the event to do column status is changed or this option right here. So schedule every month. So this one is monthly. And then run this process. So send a notifications and then run a task and then customize the task. Here, if you want to create a new step from the suggestions, so yeah, you can create a new one, but I'm just going to select send an SMS for this one. Okay, so yeah, you also have here an options or documentation. So let me just add a new step right here. And then do not forget to save it. Just click on the save option at the top right of your screen. And then right here as well, you also have the details right here. So you just have to make sure that everything is correct. Then after everything is ready, from the bots, events, processes, and tasks, you can now save or deploy this app. So you can see that not deployed option at the top left of our screen. So just click on it to deploy the app. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.